Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'll be unboxing Ferrara by Villa's new collection Modixx in the color Red Vino Shaded. I love this new collection in the Villa line. It encompasses the best features from all of the synthetic collection in the Villa line. So I had reviewed Onda, which is from the Modixx collection. So now we're going to take a look at Ferrara. Their new styles are beautiful. Whether you like pixies or you like them longer, like Ferrara is, or more wavy, like Onda, and there are still many more to come. I purchased mine at Wix Studio One. As soon as this new collection launched, I went and I ordered it immediately. As you can see there, I don't know if you could see, but there's no net on in the Modixx collection. As I mentioned, it encompasses the best of the Villa synthetic collection. And there, I find the prices of the Modixx collection, I find them to be quite reasonable compared to, I'm looking for my scissor, by the way. I find them to be quite reasonably priced in comparison, if you compare it to some of the other Villa collections. And of course, at Wix Studio One, there's always a 30% off all Villas. So we get a very good price there. And that 30% off is available always. That's how it is at the time of this recording. If you're watching this video from 5 years from the original date or at another time, things may change. All right, here is Ferrara. Such a pretty style. I'll go over the color in just a moment. I'll show you the cap. We have a lace front that goes from ear tab to ear tab. We have a left mono part, felt covered ear tabs. We have an extended nape and Velcro adjusters. There seems to be quite a bit of stretch here. The permatease is housed right here, and there seems to be minimal permatease. Ferrara only weighs 3.9 ounces, so we do have a very light piece. I'm just going to separate these fibers a bit. This is a wig brush, by the way, that I'm using. Beautiful color. This color, Red Vino Shaded, we have a dark amber with light auburn and copper red highlights. And of course, I'll take you outside, but I wanted to show you, I wanted to show it to you pretty close up. And then I'll move back a little bit further so you can see it, and we'll also go outside. I'm really, really excited about this style. It's with lots of layers is really coming back. It's really trending now. By the way, what I had on was a spray and a chocolate lighted. I'm going to cinch it in a little bit because I've got 21.5-inch circumference. I had to cinch in Onda a little bit, so I'm sure it's going to be the same. The fibers on this are so soft, so silky. Very soft lace front as well. Definitely runs true average because I cinched it in quite a bit, about 1/2 inch on either side, and there's still plenty of stretch. So I think that if you have a 22 1/4, I think that you'll be fine. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. What do you think? Let's add some water. Let me show you the lace front. We do have a little bit of knotting right there at the front, but there are also some of the lighter fibers, the fibers that are in the copper red. Nice part, even though I just took it out of the box and I haven't applied any. I usually like to apply a little bit of heat to really separate those fibers, but you can certainly see that part. The fibers feel very soft. They don't feel dry. They just feel very silky, even though these are traditional synthetic fibers. We have low density, so we can tuck it behind our ears. If you wanted to cut the bang, you can do that very, very easily, because we do have that front is 5.5 inches, or you can wear it swept off to the side. Great coverage here. Here is the ear tab right there, and as you can see, my hairline. So we do have really good coverage on both sides. Just that little bit here. I would say this is definitely a true average. Right. Let me show you Ferrara on all sides. The length on Ferrara, as I mentioned, that front is 5.5 inches. We have a crown of 8 inches. The sides and the nape are also 8 inches. But it seems we have lots of layers here. It really gives me the feel as being a very easy style to wear, a very shake and go. You don't need a lot of styling here, but we could always, of course, wear it with our headbands. I think it's really, really pretty. If you need to hide the sides, you can do that, or add some root powder. I think this color is beautiful with this dark auburn and the light auburn and the copper red highlights. I think there's not much sunlight today, but we'll go outside and take a look at it. But I wanted to show you from a little further away how it looked. I don't know if I mentioned it, but we do have a dark root. But it blends into the rest of the wig very, very nicely. I think that dark root, yeah, it just goes right through. Very nicely done. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope that you've enjoyed this review of Ferrara. Please let me know what you think about these layers and these flips. I would love to hear from you. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.